Every November and December, Delhi transforms into a gas chamber. Schools shut, hospitals overflow, and citizens are left gasping for air. But why does this happen every year? Let's uncover the reasons behind this airpocalypse and what can actually be done about it. Delhi's air pollution crisis has many culprits, but stubble burning in neighboring states like Punjab and Haryana steals the spotlight every year. During harvest season, farmers burn crop residue to prepare fields, releasing massive amounts of pollutants. But that's not all. Delhi itself contributes significantly. Vehicular emissions, construction dust, and industrial pollution add to the toxic cocktail. Winter weather also plays a role. Cooler temperatures trap pollutants closer to the ground, creating a deadly smog blanket. The health impacts are staggering. Prolonged exposure to this air can cause respiratory issues, cardiovascular diseases, and even premature deaths. According to the Lancet Commission on Pollution and Health, India accounts for nearly 2.3 million deaths annually due to pollution. Imagine children missing out on education because schools are closed, or the elderly unable to step out for their morning walks. It's not just an environmental crisis, it's a societal one. What happens every year? The blame game. States blame each other, and the central government blames local authorities. Meanwhile, citizens are stuck in the middle, choking. The Supreme Court even called this situation a collective failure of all stakeholders. But does blaming solve anything? Everyone, from governments to industries and individuals, needs to take responsibility. Let's talk about what's being done and what more can be done. Efforts have been made. Delhi has introduced smog towers, promoted electric vehicles, and even launched the odd-even traffic rule. But these are band-aid solutions for a gaping wound. Take stubble burning, for instance. Farmers often have no choice due to lack of affordable alternatives. Subsidies for machinery like happy seeders are insufficient and poorly implemented. And then there's enforcement. Many factories and construction sites still flout pollution norms. Without strict implementation, policies remain ineffective. So, what's the long-term solution? First, we need to tackle stubble burning at its root. Subsidize equipment, educate farmers, and create markets for crop residue. Second, Delhi must invest in public transport to reduce vehicular emissions. We also need to promote clean energy and urban greenery. Studies show that increasing green cover can absorb pollutants and improve air quality. The public has a role too. Carpooling, waste segregation, and adopting eco-friendly habits can make a big difference. Globally, cities like Beijing have reduced air pollution by over 40% in a decade through strict regulations and public participation. London implemented congestion charges to reduce traffic emissions. India can learn from these examples. Citizen activism is crucial. Whether it's filing complaints on pollution control apps or joining environmental campaigns, every small step counts. Change begins when we demand accountability and act responsibly. Delhi's pollution problem is daunting, but it's not unsolvable. With collective effort, accountability, and long-term planning, we can breathe cleaner air. What's your take? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you found this video insightful, like, share, and subscribe to Baba Ki Booty. Let's work together for a better tomorrow.